Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 4 power x by 20 equals 16 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 4 power x by 20 equal 16 by 1. Now if I'll do cross multiplication, so 4 power x equals 16 times 20. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 4 power x equal log 16 times 20. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. So it becomes x log 4 equal log 16 times 20. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 4, so this will cancel out. So x equal log 16 times 20 by log 4. Now I'm going to use the identity of log a times b as log a plus log b by log 4. So x is equals to log 16 by log 4 plus log 20 by log 4. 16 we know that it's 4 square by log 4 plus log 20, I can write it as 5 times 4 by log 4. So this becomes 2 log 4 by log 4 plus log 5 plus log 4 by log 4. With this we can write. So it will cancel out. So this gives us 2 plus log 5 by log 4 plus log 4 by log 4. So x equal 2 plus log 5 with base 4 plus this will cancel out, gives 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 plus log 5 with base 4. Or we can write this 3 log 5, this log 4 as log 2 square. So x is equals to 3 plus log 5 by log 4. 2 square is 2 log 2. So x is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2 log 5 by log 2. So x is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2 log 5 with base 2. So if we take the LCM, so it's 2 here. So 6 plus log 5 with base 2. So this is the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next